my phone is really messed up.
So what happened?
She got really jealous and she just took my phone and started hammering it on the table.
You guys are still together?
Well, we'll see based on how much this costs. You know, if it's too much, I'm not sure. I'll have to think about it.
So I'll save your phone and your relationship as well. We can definitely fix it. I will just need like 2 hours.
Okay.
Healthy guy?
Yeah.
So that's why Harry told her